Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Okay. Thank you, Inaya. Very good. Good morning to all of you children. Welcome to your English class. I told you to be ready with your treetop books. Are you all ready with your treetop books? Give me a thumbs up. Now, Arham, Wadi, Hassan, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Arham, I cannot see you, child. Wadi, I cannot see you. If you are in the class, your camera should be on.
मैम मेरा कैमरा तो ऑन
Yes,
है.
अब on है बेटे. All right. So English literature, first we are going to complete the exercise that is left in the book. And after that, I'll be taking your dictation. Yes, you're ready with your registers also? Okay, very good. Today attendance is very less. Quite a lot of children are absent today. All right. Page number 1515. Literature books, page number 1515. Hassan, ready with your book? Christopher, are you there in the class? I cannot see you, Christopher. All right, children, we have already finished with the exercise of one and many, adding S to the naming words. Shop becomes shops, packet becomes packets, cat becomes cats, book becomes books, window windows, cup cups, rose roses, belt belts. Have we completed this exercise, Anaya? All right. Now moving on to the next exercise. Here you have to arrange the words in the alphabetical order. Alphabetical means in your ABC order. All of you know your ABCD? विजुअल्स स्ट्रेट और बुक अपने आप खोलना सीखिए बेटे.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Manjeet. All of you know your ABC? Give me a thumbs up if you know your ABC, the English alphabets. Good morning, Ara. All right, so all of you know your ABC. Now look at this exercise which is given over here. There's an exercise given over here. The words are ask, buy, come, day. Once again, look at the words in your book, Inaya. Eyes down on your books. Put your finger there on the first word. A-S-K, ask. Ask means कुछ पूछना. B-U-Y, buy. Buy means कुछ खरीदना. Next, C-O-M-E, come. Come means आना.
Ma'am,
D. Yes,
ma'am,
Manjeet, page number 15, treat her book. Next, D-A-Y, day. Day means din. Then some more words you have. K-I-L-O, kilo. That's a measure I told you. सामान खरीदते हैं तो उसको weigh करते हैं. Next, L-A-D-D-O, laddu. That all of you know. Next word, mother. Next, now. N-O-W, now means abhi. Now listen, if you look at these words, children, the first alphabet in each word has been highlighted. Highlighted means एक अलग different color से लिखा हुआ है. A, ask में A, it's with a dark color. Next word by. B is with a dark color. Hassan, look into your book. Put your finger there and follow. Next word C-O-M-E, come. C is written with a different color. Next word day. D is written with a different color. Then kilo, K is written with a different color. Laddu, L is written with a different color. Mother, M is written with a different color. And now N is written with a different color. Now children, A B C D आप सबको आती है. आपको क्या करना है, इन वर्ड्स को ABC ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. फर्स्ट वर्ड को देखना है, इट इज स्टार्टिंग विद A और इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट में द फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट इज A. So A has been marked over there, right? All of you put number 1 on A. Take your pencil and put number 1 on A. All right. Now you all know your ABCD. Now which alphabet comes after A? Arham?
A के बाद आता है B.
B. A के बाद आता है B. Okay, very good. So B से वहां पर आपको कोई भी वर्ड दिख रहा है? अभी हमने वर्ड्स पढ़े थे. By. By. So on by you put number 2. Put number 2 there. Ronik, what comes after B in the English alphabet? C. Okay. Can you see any word over there starting with the alphabet C? C से शुरू होने वाला वहां पे कोई भी वर्ड आपको दिख रहा है? अभी जो हमने वर्ड्स पढ़े थे.
मैम कम.
Come. Okay, very good. So put number 3 over there. Put number 3 on come. All right, Aradhya, the next one. After C, which alphabet comes in the English alphabet series? C के बाद C के बाद क्या आता है इंग्लिश में? ABCD में C के बाद D. D. Okay, so D से वहां पर आपको कोई वर्ड दिख रहा है आराध्या?
Day.
Day, very good. So put number 4 over there. All right. Next, Hardik. After D comes A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D,
Hardik.
E.
When you see A, B, C, D, G के बाद क्या आता है?
E.
E. वहां पर E से स्टार्ट होने वाला कोई भी वर्ड आपको दिख रहा है? Children, can you see any word over there with E? No. Okay, after E comes F. After E comes F. Can you see any word with F over there?
F.
No. Then next G. F के बाद G आता है. Any words with G? No. Okay. After G comes H. Any word with H? I.
I.
Any word you can see with I? J. Can you see any words with J? Okay. Can you see any words starting with K?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which is the word with K?
Kilo. Kilo.
Kilo. So put over there number 5. Put number 5 on kilo. After K comes L. and there is a word with L, laddu. So put number 6 over there. After L comes M, mother. There's a word mother over there. Put number 7 on that. And then there's a word with N also. So K, L, M, N. All the alphabets, there's a word over there. So N you put number 8. Now these words, ये सारे words, शिवांश अपना माइक ऑफ करिए. These words are written in the alphabetical order, children. That is your ABC order. ABC, all of you know, they are written in the ABC order. Now turn the page, come to page number 16. Come to page 16. Now arrange these words in the ABC order. Here you have to arrange these words in the ABC order. I will be sending you the picture. You will complete this exercise in your book. So put over there HW and today's date, and also write over there learn. I will send you the picture, then you will complete this. Cherry, banana, date, apple. A, B, C, D. All the alphabets are there. You have to write them in the correct order. I will also send you the picture of the previous exercise, that is one and many. Now page number 17, you have a picture of your family given over there. Put HW, this also you will complete on your own. You have to write the details about your family. So put HW there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sure.
इसमें क्या ढूंढना है?
I cannot see you, शोभ. किस में क्या ढूंढना है? किस में क्या ढूंढना है, शोभ? अभी हम लोग ने अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर करा है. एबीसी ऑर्डर में जो वर्ड्स वहां पर लिखे हैं उसको आपको एबीसी ऑर्डर में लिखना है. Page number 16. Page number 16, you will complete the first exercise that is given there. शुभ, आप सुनिए, मम्मी नहीं सुनेंगी, आपको सुनना है. आप बोलते हैं ना कि आप अपना सब काम खुद करते हैं, तो आपको सुनना है. Page number 16, first exercise. I will be sending you the picture, then you can complete this exercise. And page number 17, this exercise, my family. All right. Now children, get ready with your registers. Take your registers out. All of you take your registers out. ट्री टॉप बुक अपनी बंद करके वहां से हटा दीजिए और अपने स्क्रीन को एडजस्ट कर लीजिए सो दैट आई कैन सी यू राइटिंग. सबके कैमरास ऑन होने चाहिए और सबकी कॉपी पेंसिल मुझे दिखनी चाहिए. आई वॉन्ट टू सी यू चिल्ड्रन राइटिंग. You have to put the heading on top, spellings. Okay, below that you write spellings. It's okay. Below that on the next line, write over there spellings. 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 Yes. SPELLING spellings. I've joined with my phone, children, because there's some problem in the network with the laptop. So I've joined with 2 devices, so there's no problem. Okay, I've got the connection back in the laptop.
I've got the connection back.
Have you put the heading spellings? Now in the margin, put over there. Put in the margin, children, numbers 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the margin, put numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today I will give you only 5 words because this is the first time you are going to do your spellings test. So I'm going to give you only 5 words today, right? From next time I'll be giving you 10 words. From next time 10 words. Make sure your treetop book is not around anywhere. Yes, Omash? Omash? What happened? Okay. All right. I will be giving you 5 words today because this is the first time you are going to do your test. So I'm giving only 5 words dictation today. Listen carefully. Each word I will repeat 3 times. Each word I will repeat 3 times. Okay? And when you finish writing, give me a thumbs up so that I know you have finished. You give me a thumbs up when you finish. Listen carefully and then make sure you're writing the correct spellings. Okay? When you will finish all the 5 words, you will revise your work and then you will ask mummy to click the picture and send it on my personal immediately. No waiting. After you revise, mummy doesn't have to revise. The revision has to be done only by you. All right? So are you all ready now for the spellings test? Everyone give me a thumbs up. Let me see everyone's ready. All right. So the first word, Sukanya. Sukanya. First word, children. Sukanya. Sukanya.
Sukanya.
Next word. Number 2. Next word. Shopkeeper. 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 शुभ आप मम्मी की तरफ देख रहे हैं. I can see on the screen. I want to see everybody's cameras on. I want to see all of you writing. पेरेंट्स प्लीज बच्चों की हेल्प मत कीजिएगा. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल, प्लीज हेल्प मत कीजिए. अगर बच्चे ने लर्न करा है इट्स ओके, नहीं लर्न करा है दोबारा लर्न कर लेंगे उसको. लेकिन अगर आप हेल्प करते रहेंगे तो बच्चे के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड, द थर्ड वर्ड चिल्ड्रेन, द थर्ड वर्ड, stealing, stealing, stealing. I don't want to see any of you looking at your parents. Vaishnavi, Sakina, Prashasti, Omansh, Vali, Arav, Arham, Manjit, are you all there in the meeting? Are you all there in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot see you, child.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi, I cannot see you. Vali, Sakina. Children, please switch on your cameras. I want to see you writing.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
All right. The next word.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Yes, Prashasti and Vaishnavi, I can see you now. Next word. Silent. 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 Children, don't look at your parents. Arham, where are you looking? बेटे देखिए, अगर आप बुक से देख के लिख रहे हैं या फिर आपके पेरेंट्स हेल्प कर रहे हैं तो वो आप अपना खुद का नुकसान कर रहे हैं. मैम को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आपने सब सही सही लिख के दे दिया, मैम चेक करके देंगी, आप खुश हो जाएंगे. लेकिन क्या आप अपने साथ ऑनेस्ट हैं? आर यू ऑनेस्ट विथ योर सेल्फ बाय डूइंग सो? ऑल ऑफ यू डोंट लुक हियर एंड देयर. अपनी बुक में, अपनी रजिस्टर में देखिए. Silent. Silent. Now the last word. The last word, children. Busy. 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 Hriday, Hardik, Ronik, are you there in the meeting? Rudraksh, are you there in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Busy. Now, everyone's finished?
Ma'am, I have done it.
I'm giving you only one. I'm giving you just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You revise your work.
have done it, work.
I'm giving you 2 minutes, children. Revise your work and then tell mommy to click the picture and send it on my personal.
Can see.
Yes, Omansh. All right. Now fold your hands, all of you. Pencils down. Everyone's pencils down. Now, after the test is over, everybody's cameras are on. I can see everyone now. During the test, most of the cameras were off. Now, all of you sit straight, fold your hands, children. Fold your hands. Let's have attendance now. Anya Nigam, Arav Maurya, Ayat Momina Heather, Ansh Francis, Aradhya Shivastav,
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
okay, Astha Tripathi, Astha, Ayat Fatima Rizvi, Christopher Massey, you have to answer loudly. Hardik,
Present, ma'am.
Hayat, Hayat, Inaya,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Ishanvi,
Present, ma'am.
Kriday,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Rishita, Mahira is not there, Manjeet,
Present, ma'am.
Meher Fatima Naqvi, Mohammad Arham,
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Mustafa, Mohammad Hassan,
Present, ma'am.
Nipun Giri, Omaj,
Present, ma'am.
Omaj,
Present, ma'am.
Pranjali, Ronek, Ria, रोनिक अटेंडेंस देने के बाद कैमरा ऑफ क्यों कर दिया बेटे आपने? प्रेजेंट मैम बोलने के बाद चिल्ड्रन अगर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होता है तो उसमें लिख कर सामने आ जाता है नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम. द वीडियो हैज बीन पॉज ड्यू टू नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम, उसमें लिख कर आता है. ओके अगर वीडियो आपने ऑफ करा है तो कुछ भी लिख के नहीं आता है. So please be very careful, children. Rudraksh. Rudraksh. Rudraksh, switch on your camera. Sakina. Sakina. Sakina, are you there in the meeting? Shubh Gautam. Shubh. Mohammad Wali.
Ma'am, Sakina, present.
Yes, Sakina, you have to answer, child, okay? Vaishnavi. Some children have got their mics on, due to which there is a lot of disturbance. Please mute yourselves. Hayat, Vijwal, Manjeet, Vinayak, mute yourselves.
Present, ma'am.
Mute yourselves. There's a lot of disturbance. Vaishnavi is present. Vihan Tiwari. Vijwal Mehra.
Yes, ma'am.
Prashasti.
Present,
Adhiraj.
ma'am.
Adhiraj. Vinayak.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you, children. Now we'll meet again in the next period for science. You can take your break. We'll meet again in the next period. Yes. And make sure you send the picture.